Hi guys, what are we gonna do today? I did this bunting the other day, even though 4th of July is tomorrow, and I don't know when you're watching this, and it's coming so soon. I thought I would take the same idea and do it more farmhousey, but this is what we're gonna do. This one I put polyurethane on so you can see how shiny it is. Here's the mountain that we're actually gonna work on, and I may still poly this one. I just put some wax on it, and I didn't put all the 4th of July words, but it gives you another idea with the grain sack stripe on there, and you could do it in blues and grays and blacks and anything, but I wanted to do something just a little simpler you could use all year long. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started, I'm gonna make my buntings, and what I did was I just used some book pages and I cut the triangles and I cut 8 of them, and then what I'm gonna do is whitewash them, and I just have a little water here and just a bit of paint and water and just but enough that you can tell it's whitewashed. Then what I did is when it started to dry, I just put some parchment paper over it and I just ironed them up. And I already have some done here for you, so let's get started. So I'm gonna use my Grainery stamp, and this was like a first generation IOD, but anything with stripes in it would work really well. So I think I'm gonna do this one on 4 of them that I put the animals on. And I'm gonna use a red ink, but it'd be really pretty in a blue too. I'll roll this on here. And I know I'm gonna have my sleeve that goes across the top, so I'm gonna come down just a little bit and stamp there. And then I'm gonna stamp down at the bottom. Okay, and I'm gonna do 3 more like this. And these 4 are gonna be for my animals. Now the other ones I'm going to do, I'm just going to use different parts of the Grainery stamp that I have and just do some different designs. So I can just start a little ways from the top. Okay, so now I'm going to stamp my animals in these 4. And what I'm going to do is, so I don't get ink on my red spots, I'm just going to block the bottom of this off where this bottom stripe is. And I can get most of her. Not all of her, but most of her. And this is from the Farm Animal stamp. There's one. So I think I'm going to put some crackle stamp on all of these, and then we'll decide what we're going to do next. Just a little bit of a hit and miss. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I have like a strap at the top. This is drywall tape, and all I'm doing is I folded it in half, and I'm going to stamp the front of it real quick. And then we're going to put our bunting in between it. So I have my banner top here, and I stamped it, and I found the center point here, and I know I have 8 of these. I'm doing one that's striped, farm animal, another one that's striped, and a farm animal. Then a striped, a farm animal, striped, and a farm animal. Normally I would probably sew this, but I'm just going to staple these. And I'm using my Tim Holtz mini stapler. I really like this one, especially for projects like this where I don't want the staples to really show, but it doesn't take away from the project because of the staples. Okay, now I'm just going to wax them and then we'll be done. And you can use any type of clear wax that you would like. Okay guys, so I've got it all put together here, and this one I waxed, but I didn't put poly over it like the other one, so it's not quite as shiny, but come up with your own ideas and have fun.